What's up there, people? Thank you for clicking on my video. This is the second part of my Panther build. The first part is me building the Panther 1/35th scale by Dragon Models. In this episode, you shall watch how I painted the base coat and of course the primer coat. Thanks for watching. Enjoy it. If you like what you see, please press like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one. Okay, first step, priming. I'm using this primer for the very first time. Very excited about it. It's made by Voyager, and you see what the name of it is. I can pronounce it. I can pronounce it very easily. I know you can pronounce it. So let's just assume both of us can pronounce it. The primer sprays really well. Leaves a very nice finish. It only clogged twice, so I'm pretty happy with it. Will I use it again? That's the biggest question. Will I use it again? I think I will. If only it came in a lighter color though. Only comes in white and this color and black. I prefer a light gray. But hey, what can you do? Priming is now complete. Next step, painting dark yellow, aka the base coat. My mix is Tamiya dark yellow mixed with a little bit of white, a splash of yellow, thinned about 70%. Sprayed about 20 psi. Stage 2 complete. Next step, stage 3, painting the brown color, red brown. My red brown is a mix of Tamiya red brown with a little splash of yellow. Again, the mix ratio is 70% thinner, 30% pink. Red, brown, camo complete. Now moving on to green. I'm using NATO green mixed with some yellow. And again, the thinning ratio is the same as mentioned before. Next step is adding a clear coat. I'm using Mr. Hobby, Mr. Super Clear to prep it for decals, for washes and stuff like that that come later. I had a slight problem with the decals, as you can see. If I touched it even barely, even a little bit, it would start to tear apart. Anyone else have a problem like this before? Anyone have a solution for this kind of problem? I was able to finish the model with the decals I had on hand, but it was a challenge. Please leave a comment if you know how to fix this, or if you know how to deal with it. Alrighty folks, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please press like, subscribe if you want to, or if you don't like what you saw, please feel free to click dislike and leave a comment either way. Alright, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Next week's episode, or probably in 2 weeks, will be weathering this beast. Take care. Have a good one. Sayonara. I'm out. Bye.